Hello, this video is going to show you how to check out ebooks and audiobooks from our library catalog. Now remember, this is separate from Overdrive, which has more ebooks and audiobooks for you to choose from. We only have a limited selection so far. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you're logged in by seeing your name in the top left-hand corner. Scroll down until you see the categories ebooks or audiobooks. To see all that we have for ebooks, you can click See All. Same thing for audiobooks. I'm going to start looking for an audiobook right now. So I'm going to click See All. And this is my selection of audiobooks. You'll recognize that most of them come from our community book discussion list. I really love the book Heroine and I want to listen to it. So I can click on Check Out and the book will get checked out to me. Once again, if I made a mistake, all I have to do is click the return button and it's checked back in. But I'm going to go ahead and check it out. Now from this screen, I can go ahead and click play, but maybe I don't want to listen to it right now. So I can always find what I have checked out by returning to the main menu, clicking on the three lines and going to Checkouts. Here I'll see all the books that I have checked out. If I want to listen to Heroine, all I have to do is click play. Now that's going to open up a different browser where I can listen to the book or read the book if it was an ebook. So I can just click play and the book
Catherine
will start to
Teagan
play.
Books and Harper Audio
I can adjust the speed. I can do bookmarks. And the best thing is, say if I'm on track 2 and I'm listening to the book, but I have to stop because I have something else I need to do. When I close the book and I come back to play it again later, the book is going to remind me where I left off. So you don't have to worry about keeping track of that or anything. Going back to my Destiny Discover. Now the book will automatically return itself on the due date. So this one would check itself back in on August 9th. If I'm finished with it sooner, I can go ahead and click return and make it available for somebody else. Awesome, thanks for watching.